Hi, here's a walkthrough on assignment number 4. We're going to do some screen capturing. And one way of doing is either hitting print screen or alt print screen is one idea, and then we have to crop and shrink, or we can use Jing or Snagit to capture images. I'm going to start with this print screen first. So this example they had on the assignment says if you're going to open something in Word, File, Open. And if you clicked on here, you get an idea of places you can go to My Documents, which is your H drive right now, or to a student share or other things like that. So if I hit Alt print screen, it takes a picture of whatever's on my machine right now. I'm going to cancel for a minute. I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to paste it. I can either right click and paste, or I can use Control V to paste. And if I want to, I could crop that a little bit. If I hit right click, excuse me, if I click on it and get to the picture tool here, and I should be able to crop from there. And I'm just going to bring it in from the edges. So the crop tool uses these, looks like tabs from a picture binder, something like that, and you can crop in as you want to. Okay. And do be careful though, because some people can actually uncrop things as well and bring it back out and find what you took away. So just watch out for that. Okay. And then I think I want to move the picture to the other side. So remember again, the picture tool comes up here, and I can do my text wrapping so that it's in front of text, for example. That makes it easy to move around. Okay. And then we had these little callouts saying, you know, watch this as your H drive, an arrow to it. So how would I do that? I could insert a text box if I wanted to. I always like to draw my text boxes. I could say, this is your H drive. My text box didn't have a line around it, so if I'm on my line, I can go to the line style and say no outline. Now it just hovers. And I can also insert a shape like an arrow. So I can take my arrow and say, this is your H drive. There we go. Now note on your arrow, you can have different ways of doing things. You can change the color of it. You can change the weight of it, meaning how thick it is. So I'm going to make it a nice thick arrow. And you can change the color to whatever you want. Okay, so that works really well. And that's cutting and pasting. You could also use Jing. So Jing says, you know what, I don't want to take a picture of everything. Maybe if I just take the crosshairs, I just want a picture of this in particular. And then I can hit capture image. It's right there for me. I can copy it and I can paste it wherever I want to. So I'm just going to put it right here. I think I'll put it down here. And paste. And so that image is pasted, and I can take the same image and I can say wrap text. Let's put it in front as well so it's easy to move around. I can take that picture. It's easier. I don't have to worry about cropping, so it's a nice easy function. So that Jing is a nice way to go as well. And I think that's all we need to worry about.